kaya inulay hang ne kadiga state ke bawam do masih ne dun we su thu bakla ba lesi de ga sokar BJP ga bang hang ban yung anali kum BJP amali le ta kum ya ta isu ngala da ban kre war nga abli choy man ko ru baga masih le de ben tu cha ne de ben bam aja ka jong do blang do ser bam bahar do masih people to eat more beef than chicken and mutton or fish.
Why?
That you see that wrong information in the mind of the people that the BJPs will impose this cow slaughter. Everybody are free to eat. You will see in other northeast state snake also they eat. What is this? Tortoise also they eat, crab also they eat, scorpion also they eat. There is no restriction that you cannot eat this and that. I have prepared on this. So legally I'll study it, and if required I'll meet Mantaji also to discuss that the supply of cattle or beef to our state should not be affected. It's not suitable, then I'll talk with him that we have to change.